Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Financial Thinking. I'm Robson Andrade, and today we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency mining. We'll explore what mining is, how it works, and its significance in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Let's get started. What is cryptocurrency mining? Cryptocurrency mining is the process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain ledger. Miners use computational power to solve complex mathematical problems, securing the network and earning rewards in the form of new coins. It's a fundamental aspect of most cryptocurrencies, ensuring decentralization and trustlessness. Mining can be thought of as the backbone of the cryptocurrency world. Without it, there would be no way to process transactions or mint new coins. The concept of mining dates back to the creation of Bitcoin in 2009 by the pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, it has evolved significantly, becoming a highly competitive and sophisticated industry. How does cryptocurrency mining work? Mining involves solving cryptographic puzzles that require significant computational power. Miners compete to find the correct solution, and the first one to solve the puzzle gets to add a new block to the blockchain and receive a block reward. This process is known as proof of work (POW), and it's what keeps the network secure and operational. The computational puzzle miners solve is known as a hash puzzle. It involves finding a hash, a unique string of characters, that meets certain criteria. This requires a lot of trial and error, meaning miners must perform many calculations per second. The difficulty of this puzzle adjusts over time to ensure that blocks are added to the blockchain at a consistent rate, typically every 10 minutes for Bitcoin. Mining is not just about finding the right hash. It also involves propagating the new block to the network. Once a block is found, it's broadcast to other nodes in the network, which verify the block and add it to their copy of the blockchain. This process ensures that the blockchain remains synchronized across all nodes. Types of mining: proof of work versus proof of stake. Proof of work (POW) and proof of stake (POS) are two primary consensus mechanisms. POW relies on computational power and energy consumption, while POS requires validators to hold and lock up a certain amount of cryptocurrency as collateral. Each has its own advantages and drawbacks. In POW, the competition to solve cryptographic puzzles means that more powerful hardware, such as application-specific integrated circuits (ASICs), can greatly increase a miner's chances of success. This has led to the rise of large mining farms, which can consist of thousands of ASICs running in parallel. POS, on the other hand, does not involve solving cryptographic puzzles. Instead, validators are chosen to create new blocks based on the amount of cryptocurrency they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. This reduces the need for expensive hardware and energy consumption. However, POS can be criticized for potentially leading to greater centralization, as those with more wealth have more influence over the network. Some blockchains, like Ethereum, are transitioning from POW to POS to achieve a balance between security, decentralization, and energy efficiency. This transition involves significant technical challenges and has been closely watched by the entire cryptocurrency community. Popular cryptocurrencies for mining. Bitcoin and Ethereum are among the most popular cryptocurrencies for mining. Bitcoin uses POW, requiring specialized hardware called ASICs, while Ethereum is transitioning to POS, making it more accessible for everyday users. Litecoin, a fork of Bitcoin, uses a different POW algorithm known as script, which is more memory-intensive but less reliant on raw computational power. This has allowed Litecoin mining to remain viable with GPU's graphics processing units longer than Bitcoin. Monero is another popular cryptocurrency for mining. It uses the randoms POW algorithm, which is designed to be ASIC-resistant, meaning it can be mined effectively with CPU's central processing units. This makes Monero mining more accessible to individuals with standard consumer hardware. Additionally, there are many other POW-based cryptocurrencies that miners can explore. Each has its own community, technology, and market dynamics, providing a diverse range of opportunities and challenges. Mining hardware and software. Mining hardware ranges from basic CPUs and GPUs to specialized ASICs. Choosing the right hardware depends on the cryptocurrency you want to mine. Additionally, mining software is crucial for managing hardware and connecting to the blockchain network. CPUs and GPUs are more versatile and can mine a variety of cryptocurrencies. GPUs, in particular, are popular for mining Ethereum and other altcoins due to their high parallel processing capabilities. ASICs, while more efficient for specific tasks, are limited to mining the cryptocurrencies they are designed for, such as Bitcoin or Litecoin. When it comes to mining software, there are many options available. Software like Miner and BF Miner are popular choices for ASIC and FPGA mining, offering extensive customization and monitoring capabilities. For GPU mining, software like FMiner, Claymore, and Phoenix Miner are widely used, providing optimized performance for Ethereum and other similar cryptocurrencies. Setting up mining software typically involves configuring the miner to connect to a mining pool. Mining pools are groups of miners who combine their computational power to increase their chances of solving blocks. Pool members share the rewards based on their contributed hash rate. Popular mining pools include Slush Pool, F2 Pool, and Ant Pool. Additionally, miners need to consider factors like electricity costs, cooling solutions, and hardware maintenance. Efficient management of these factors can significantly impact the profitability of mining operations. Setting up a mining operation involves selecting hardware, installing software, and joining a mining pool. Mining pools combine the resources of multiple miners to increase the chances of solving blocks and earning rewards. The first step in setting up a mining operation is to choose the right hardware. For those new to mining, starting with a GPU mining rig can be a good choice due to its versatility and lower initial cost compared to ASICs. However, as miners gain experience and capital, they may choose to invest in ASICs for more specialized and profitable mining. After selecting hardware, the next step is to download and configure mining software. This typically involves setting up a wallet address to receive mining rewards and joining a mining pool. Mining pools often have detailed guides to help new miners get started with their specific setup requirements. Miners also need to consider the physical setup of their mining rigs. Proper ventilation and cooling are essential to prevent hardware from overheating. Some miners invest in dedicated cooling solutions, such as liquid cooling or air conditioning, to keep their rigs running efficiently. Additionally, miners should monitor their operations regularly. This includes keeping track of hardware performance, electricity consumption, and network conditions. Many mining software solutions offer built-in monitoring tools, and there are also third-party monitoring services available. Economic and environmental impact of mining. Cryptocurrency mining has significant economic and environmental impacts. While it provides financial incentives and supports the network, it also consumes substantial energy, contributing to environmental concerns. The energy consumption of POW-based cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, has been a topic of much debate. Mining requires vast amounts of electricity, leading to concerns about its environmental sustainability. Some estimates suggest that Bitcoin mining alone consumes more electricity than entire countries, such as Argentina or Norway. To address these concerns, some miners are turning to renewable energy sources, such as solar or hydroelectric power, to reduce their carbon footprint. Additionally, there are ongoing efforts within the industry to develop more energy-efficient mining technologies and protocols. On the economic side, mining can provide significant financial benefits. It offers a way for individuals and businesses to earn cryptocurrency rewards, which can be sold or held as investments. However, the profitability of mining can vary greatly depending on factors like hardware efficiency, electricity costs, and cryptocurrency market conditions. Furthermore, mining can have broader economic impacts. In some regions, mining has led to the creation of new jobs and industries, contributing to local economies. However, it can also strain local power grids and lead to increased electricity costs for residents. Future of cryptocurrency mining. The future of mining will likely see advancements in technology, increased efficiency, and a shift towards more sustainable practices. Innovations in POWs and other consensus mechanisms may also reduce the environmental footprint of mining. As more cryptocurrencies adopt POWs or hybrid consensus mechanisms, the reliance on energy-intensive POW mining may decrease. This could lead to a more sustainable and inclusive cryptocurrency ecosystem, where individuals can participate without needing expensive hardware or large amounts of electricity. Technological advancements in mining hardware and software are also expected to continue. New developments in ASIC technology, for example, could lead to more efficient and powerful mining rigs. Similarly, improvements in mining software could optimize performance and reduce energy consumption. Moreover, the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrency mining is likely to evolve. Governments and regulatory bodies around the world are paying increasing attention to the environmental and economic impacts of mining. Future regulations could incentivize sustainable mining practices and shape the industry's development. Overall, while mining faces challenges, it remains a vital and dynamic part of the cryptocurrency world. The continued innovation and adaptation within the industry suggests that mining will continue to play a significant role in the future of digital finance. Cryptocurrency mining is a critical component of the blockchain ecosystem, providing security and enabling the creation of new coins. Understanding its mechanisms, challenges, and future trends is essential for anyone interested in digital finance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Financial Thinking for more insights. In our next video, we'll explore the fascinating world of DeFi decentralized finance and how it's transforming the financial landscape. Stay tuned.